In the heart of automotive innovation, the 2024 BMW i4 M50 xDrive Gran Coupe is making waves. This all-electric BMW i4, an icon of emission-free driving pleasure, is now more appealing than ever before. A new BMW i4 variant debuts boasting electric all-wheel drive, a game-changer in the premium midsize segment. Marvel at the BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe, a combustion-engined variant that now links up as standard with an 8-speed Steptronic Sport transmission. Witness precise modifications to both exterior and interior, enhancing its sporting elegance and premium ambience. Experience the upgraded BMW iDrive equipped with QuickSelect and additional digital services. This is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. The interior boasts renewed sophistication with additions to standard equipment and a newly structured options list. Welcome to the future of driving, where the BMW 4 Series range continues to lead with its most successful body variant. This is the 2024 BMW i4 M50 xDrive Gran Coupe, a symbol of progress, a beacon of innovation.